name is Mia.
Okay, hi Mia. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. And how old are you?
Yes, how old are
I'm
you?
7 years old.
7 years old.
And you?
Oh, so young. I'm 28 years old.
28. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let's start. So let me share my screen to you so that you can see this one. How about that? Can you see it?
Yeah, I see.
Oh, I see. You see. Okay. Our topic for today is about long A. Okay, so listen. Okay, so before we'll officially start, I'm gonna ask you how was your day? Are you happy or sad? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yes, can you say I am happy?
I am happy.
Very good. Happy. Okay. So when someone asks you, how are you? You can ask them too. You right? So for example, I asked you, how are you? So you can ask me too. Okay, let's do it one more time. How are you, Mia?
Today I'm good.
Okay, I am
Good.
fine. Thank you. How about you, teacher?
I am great. Thank you. How about you, teacher?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking, Mia. All right, so that's much better. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. Okay, don't forget to eyes on me and listen. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, let's go. Listen first.
Page 4, Unit 1, Long A. A, E, A. Listen and learn.
This is tape. What's the middle sound in the word tape?
A.
That's right. A.
Okay, again. What is the middle sound of the word tape? Can you say tape?
Tape.
Very good. Okay, what is the middle sound?
Tape.
Tapes.
Tape. Tape.